Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cernova International Group. This is Ashley. Today we are going deep into the four pillars that physically carry our world's trade: road, rail, sea, and sky. If this is your first time joining us, make sure to follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn, so you never miss an episode of this series. Let us start on the ground, with road transport. Trucks are the true workhorses of global trade. In 2023 alone, road freight moved over 12 billion tons of goods worldwide, and in many major economies, trucks carry more than 70% of all inland freight. Why does road transport dominate so completely? Because of one word: flexibility. A truck can reach almost anywhere: a factory, a small village, a remote construction site, a place no train or ship could ever access. It is the final link connecting massive global networks to the doorstep of everyday life. Now, let us move to the rails. Rail transport tells a different story, one of scale, efficiency, and endurance. Freight trains worldwide moved nearly 12 trillion ton-kilometers of cargo in a single recent year, with the strongest growth seen across Asia-Pacific and the Americas. Rail is the champion of heavy, bulky cargo over long distances: coal, grain, containers, raw materials, moved with remarkable energy efficiency compared to road transport. As the world pushes toward greener logistics, rail is increasingly seen as a backbone of the low-carbon supply chain of the future. Before we continue our journey across the oceans and the skies, if you are enjoying this episode, please take a second to subscribe to Cernova International Group, like this video, and share it with someone who would find it useful. Now, let us cross the water, because the ocean remains, without question, the true highway of global trade. Maritime shipping carries the overwhelming majority of everything traded internationally, with recorded seaborne trade volumes exceeding 12 billion metric tons in a single year, and containerized trade alone surpassing 166 million standard containers moved annually. Massive vessels, some longer than several football fields, connect continents through a handful of strategic ports and canals that quietly control the rhythm of the entire world economy. And finally, the skies. Air freight represents a smaller share of total volume, but an enormous share of value. When speed matters more than anything, medical supplies, electronics, urgent parts, high-value goods, air cargo is the answer. Global air freight traffic reached nearly 58 million metric tons in a recent year, moved by specialized cargo carriers operating around the clock across every time zone on Earth. What is fascinating is that these four pillars rarely work alone. A single product might travel by ship across an ocean, switch to rail across a continent, and finish its journey by truck to your local store. This is called multimodal transport, and it is quite simply the art of combining every strength of every mode into one smooth, seamless journey. Before we wrap up, once again, please subscribe to Cernova International Group, like this video, and tell us in the comments, which mode of transport do you find the most fascinating: road, rail, sea, or sky? To summarize, road transport gives us flexibility and reach. Rail gives us scale and efficiency. Sea gives us volume and global connection. And air gives us speed when it matters most. Together, these four pillars form the physical foundation of everything we buy, sell, and use every single day. In our next video, we will step inside the supply chain itself, from warehouses and cold storage to e-commerce delivery and the international rules that make cross-border trade possible. Thank you for watching, and for being part of the Cernova International Group community. Subscribe, like, follow us everywhere, and until next time, this is Ashley, wishing you, always higher, always further.